Hello everyone, in this video we are gonna learn the format and how to write a job application letter. So first of all, what is a job application letter? A job application letter is a letter which is written for a purpose of like applying for a job in some company, and the people or the students who are writing this, they need to attach resume with it. If you want the format of resume or how to write a resume, the link is in the description. You can directly go there and click on it. I have separately made a video on this. So before we start with our job application letter, the first thing you have to keep in your mind is that there's a margin given here on the paper. Whether it's a book or an examination sheet, you have to follow this margin, okay? This margin will help you a lot in writing any kind of paper in respective of any languages. So whenever you start writing something, don't leave gap between the margin and the words, okay? Start with the margin. Okay, the first thing comes in our letter is our name. Suppose I'm writing a letter and my name will be Rakesh. I'll write here Rakesh Sharma, okay? And below to it we'll write our address. So which address should we write? We should write our home address or office address or our place of writing the exam address. So you have to keep in mind that whenever you are writing a paper in the exam, you have to write the address of that place from where you are writing. You are writing from the examination hall, right? So you have to write the examinations center's address, okay? Like suppose I stay in Jayanagar, so I'll write 5th block, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Okay, the first thing comes is our name and our address, okay? But in the examination hall you have to write your examination center's address, okay? Like your examination center will be in Shashadipuram. Take for an example, okay? So you will write Shashadipuram, Bangalore, okay? Or else if they have mentioned in the question that your address is this and this, then you have to write the same, okay? You can't write by your own. You have to first see the question. If they have mentioned, then write the same, or else write the examination center's address, okay? Then we'll leave one line, okay? Then we will write our today's date. The date should be written on which date you are writing the paper. Suppose you are writing the examination on 18th of June 2020. So the date will be here 18th of June 2020, okay? This off will not come, sorry. Just write 18th June 2020, okay? And put a full stop here. Kindly note, once again I'm telling this, you have to write that date here on which date you are writing this job application, okay? Then you have to leave one line and you have to write the sender's address. And all the times the sender's address will be given in the question, okay? You have to find it out and it will be clearly mentioned in the question. You can see on the screen. For an example, the letter should be written to the manager, Global Finance and Investment Limited, KC Road, Gadag, okay? The address is given like this. So you have to write this same over here, okay? First you have to write to whom you are writing, not the company's name, okay? We are writing to the manager, okay? So we will write the manager, and after this you have to write comma here, okay? Remember, here after writing your name you should not write your comma. Full stop is enough, alright? So the manager and comma, then you have to write in the next line the company's name, okay? The company's name is Global Finance and Investment Limited, okay? Copy the same. Global Finance and Investment Limited, okay? This is the company's name. Next we have to write down the address. Okay, the address is KC Road. Then you have to write here comma, and below the city, which city this address belongs to. Okay, it's in Gadag. Okay, if they have mentioned the pin code also in the address in the question paper, then even write the pin code. Okay, and they have mentioned in this, so I will write 582. Here dash will come, 582101. Okay, then full stop you have to write. Okay, so after writing two address, we'll go to respected sir or madam. Okay, we will write respected sir or madam. After this we will write comma. Okay, why we are writing comma over here? Because we will continue with the body of letter. Okay, so after writing respected sir and madam, we will not leave any gap over here. We'll continue from here only. Okay, we'll leave one line and we'll continue from the margin only. We'll write first subject. Okay, and then is to, then what is our subject? Then we have to write why we are writing this job application. We have to write that reason. Okay, we'll start with like this: to apply for the post of dash. Okay, so basically subject is the reason why are you writing this job application. Okay, or this letter. We are writing this letter to apply for the post of, or to apply for the job of. Write the job name which is given in the question. Take for an example, they have given the job as junior assistant. Okay, so we will write to apply for the post of junior assistant. Okay, then we'll write the full stop over here. Okay, so in any type of letter we have different stages, like our from address, to address, date, where we have to write the respect sir or madam, or the reason like subject. Our next thing will be reference. Where did we find this advertisement? We have found this advertisement like on newspaper, so we are writing this job application. Okay, so we'll write here reference. Okay, this to your advertisement in dash dated dash. Okay, so what we are gonna write in this two fill-ups? First we'll read reference, your advertisement in dash. Now in this first dash, first fill-up, we have to write the newspaper name from where we have seen this ad. Okay, suppose the newspaper name is Patrika. The paper name is the Patrika. Okay, your advertisement in the Patrika, dated, we have to write the date. Okay, we have to write that date when we have seen it. Suppose we have seen the newspaper on 10th of June. Okay, so we'll write here 10th of June 2020. Okay, then full stop. Okay, now our sentence is completed. Subject is to apply for the post of junior assistant. Okay, and reference is your advertisement in the Patrika, dated 10th of June 2020. After finishing this, we will start with our body of the letter, which is the main part of any kind of letters. So how will you start your job application letter? We will start by saying everyone can copy the first two lines, and from the third line they can start with their own words. Okay, so we'll start by, we have to leave one line here. Okay, then we will start with the next line as in response to your advertisement mentioned above, comma, I am applying for the post of, okay, till here you can copy this same, okay. Then after this you have to write the post which you are applying, okay. Don't copy this junior assistant in the final examination, because the question will have different kind of post, okay. So we are taking example of I am applying for the post of junior assistant, okay. So I'll write here junior assistant, assistant, all right, then full stop. So after writing this sentence, we'll start with our main body part of the letter. So what we should write in the main body part? So we will learn that what should the body of the letter includes, okay. First point, continuation or collaboration of the reference, okay. We have written in the reference the advertisement in this newspaper dated on this date, okay, and also the subject, for what purpose, for what post we are applying for, okay. We have to expand it, we have to continue from this reference and subject, okay. Our second point is education about the experience and languages known, okay. We have to write our education and what are our experiences and types of languages we know. You can also write different aspects such as your interest, and you will never deny the manager, you will always follow the rules and all. One thing I'll tell you, if you don't get anything to write in your mind in the body of the letter, if your mind is not working, just copy the qualifications which are given in the question paper. So qualification may include your experience, your education, languages. They will just give in points, you have to write in sentences, okay. And the last point of body of letter is enclosure of a resume, okay. You have to write like this: I hereby enclose my resume, hope it meets your requirements, okay. One clue I will tell you is everything will be given in the question. You just have to frame sentences and you have to write. If you have more time and more interested to write more about yourself and your interest, you can continue with your own things. Like suppose we have a question, like take this example only, we have to apply for the post of junior assistant, okay, and the qualifications required are second PUC with computer knowledge, okay. It means that you have completed your class 12, which is second PUC, and you also have some computer knowledge of Kannada and English essential, okay. What does it mean? It means you have to know different languages such as Kannada and English. If you know both of this, so you can apply there. And experience preferred, you have to write your experience, how much you have been experienced in this field, okay. So after leaving one line here, you will be starting from here, okay, with the margin, like we have started with all the categories, okay, from address to address, subject, reference, everything. You have to follow the margin till the letter ends. So here the main body of the letter, okay. The another question which arises is how lengthy it should be. It depends on the space left on your letter, okay. The another thing I want to tell you is you have to complete your letter in only in one page. If you have completed your letter in one page, the next page you can write your resume, okay. See, I'll give you an example. If your 95% of your letter is in one page and remaining 5% is in another page, they will cut your marks, because letter should be written in one sheet only, okay. So you have to manage your space, you have to adjust the main body of the letter according to your space left in the sheet, okay. So what will you write in the main body of the letter? If you have more space, as I said, you can write many more as much as you want. If you have less space, then you have to write the qualifications which has been given in the question. Okay, in qualification part, all the points are compulsory in the main body of the letter. Okay, so you will frame the sentences and write over here. Okay, so I'll read out once for you. I have passed my second PUC with a first class. I also have taken a course in the office management and with basic computer as well as Tally ERP 9. I'm 20 years old. I can speak fluent English and Kannada and also Tamil and Hindi. I have passed SSLC with 90% of marks from Cambridge School, Gadag, and second PUC with 71% from Hubli. I have an experience of 4 years working as a junior assistant. Now why I am telling junior assistant here is we are applying for the post of junior assistant. Okay, you have to see that post which has been mentioned in the question. Okay, you have to write that here. Okay, then after writing this you can leave one line and you can continue by writing as I have enclosed my resume with this application. Okay, then you will write I hope it will meet your requirements. Okay, why did I wrote down here? Because there was no space left to shown in the camera. Okay, you have to continue from this only. Okay, don't leave line in this. Okay, just continue with it and write at last full stop. Okay, and one mistake I made here is this scratch. Okay, don't scratch or else they will cut your marks. Marks are divided for a letter in various ways. One of the ways is your presentation. The less the scratches, the more marks you will get. Okay, so don't make any kind of scratches. Be confident in writing. Okay, just look the question. I'll tell you this is very easy. You have to just copy the same by just framing sentences. Okay, then rest everything is damn easy. Then after writing this you will leave one line. Okay, you will write thanking you. Okay, after this you'll write full stop. Okay, no comma here. Okay, you will write full stop. Then again you have to leave one line and you have to write yours faithfully. Okay, here you have to write comma. Okay, after writing this leave two lines. You have to leave this two line for your signature. Okay, wait, we will do it. We'll write another thing first, that is the last part, which is our name. Okay, we have taken example as Rakesh Sharma. Okay, I'll write here Rakesh, Rakesh, sorry, we should not leave gap, I'm sorry. Rakesh Sharma, Sharma. Why I'm writing small here? Because the camera I have to adjust it. Okay, fine. This is the last line. Okay, you have to leave these two lines. After this you have to write your name over here. Okay, so in this two lines what we are gonna do? We are gonna do our signature. Okay, suppose Rakesh Sharma signature is RS this. Okay, this we have done. Okay, if you want you can just make bracket here also. Okay, okay, or else without bracket is also okay. Okay, this was the format of job application letter, and if you want the format of resume and how to write it, I have made another video on that. The link is in description. You can directly go and click there. You can easily score in this two, letter writing as well as resume writing.